마주하시죠. 당신들은 말입니다. 경마장의 말. 의외였어요.
살면서 더 이상 즐거운 게 없다고. 뭘 하면은 좀 재미가 있을까?
재미로 그런 짓을 시켰다고?
자네가 잊은 것 같고 나는 아무 얘기.
난 말이 아니야. 사람이야.
Squid Game Season 1 is nothing short of a masterpiece. After rewatching it recently, I started reflecting on what made it so great. Why was this show a global phenomena? Everyone seemed hooked, binge watching it, discussing it, and theorizing about it. It became one of Netflix's most popular shows, if not the most popular, and I began to wonder, what about Squid Game resonated so deeply? It's easy to point to the games. The thrilling life or death stakes kept audiences on the edge of their seats. But for me, the games were only a small part of what made Squid Game so great. Not because the games weren't well crafted or they weren't entertaining, but because of what they represented. I have a dark take, but hear me out. How many people consumed Squid Game and how it has been commercialized since is very similar to the way the VIPs in the show treated the players. As entertainment, as pawns, as horses in a brutal situation. While many people enjoyed Squid Games just based on the games, I think the show's deeper message was missed by many people. The commercialization of the series, the parodies, YouTube recreations, and even real-life games based on Squid Game has turned the show into the very thing it was criticizing. The show was not just about entertainment, it was a critique of how society views human life as expendable, as something to bet on for amusement. That's where I want to start breaking down the evil within Squid Game. The VIPs, the front man, and most significantly the old man, the mastermind behind it all, signify this cold-hearted evil. The old man gives a flimsy, over-the-top explanation for his actions, and even though we get his motives, they remain horrifying. The show never tries to justify the evil, and that's what makes it so impactful. It forces us to confront the darkness of human nature, that we find fun in competition even when lives are at stake. This ties into something much broader. As a society, we love competition, whether it's sports or betting on games. Millions of people bet on their favorite teams every day and they take pride in their wins. Squid Game takes that idea and turns it on its head by having people bet on human lives. It is disturbing, but it reflects a darker truth about how far people will go for entertainment. Some might argue that the games were unfair, but that was never the point. The games weren't designed to be fair. They were designed for the enjoyment and entertainment of the VIPs and the audience. It's a dark reminder of the lengths people will go for entertainment and how easily human suffering can be ignored. This is something I believe Season 2 will dive deeper into. In the end, Squid Game captured the attention of two types of viewers. Those who loved the excitement of the games and those who appreciated the cinematic brilliance of the production. For cinephiles like me, the show's attention to detail, its set design, music, dialogue, and subtle hints elevate it into another level. But casual viewers may have missed the show's larger point about the commercialization of suffering. As the series grows in popularity, with future seasons likely on the way, I'm hopeful the creators will continue to explore these themes without losing their edge. However, I'm also skeptical about how audiences will react to it. People tend to prefer simplicity, but Squid Game forces us to confront complex, uncomfortable truths about ourselves and our world. At its core, Squid Game isn't just a commentary on wealth inequality or survival, it's a reflection of the very nature of human competition. In both the corporate world and our daily lives, we are all racing, competing for survival. The show simply took that reality to its darkest possible extreme. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and many thanks for watching.